How to add text to an image in GIMP. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text to an image in GIMP. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the GIMP, and inside GIMP, simply open the image where you want to add the text. And here, once you have opened the image, simply click on the tools option which can be seen at the top, and once you click on that, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply select text tools, and here once you have clicked on it, you can click anywhere on your image to start typing or drag to create a text box, and then just type inside that box. Super easy. Now you can highlight the text to make some changes. For example, you can adjust the font size either from the toolbar above or on the left panel. You can change the text color. You can align it with how you like center, left, right, or justified. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add text to an image in GIMP. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.